Welcome to part 4 of my Spider-Man cosplay series. Today I will show you how to sew the pants. By the way, I've been feeling a little sick lately, so sorry if my voice doesn't sound great in this video. Anyway, moving on to the video here, I started by sewing the boots. I sewed the sides of the two boot pieces together, which will end up being the front seam. I used a zigzag stitch to sew all the pieces together, and once I sewed it once, I went back and sewed a second zigzag stitch next to it on the inside for added strength. Next, I sewed the boots to the pants piece. I then sewed the inseam from the bottom of one boot around the crotch and all the way to the bottom of the other boot. I then sewed up the back of the pants. I then sewed the bottom of the boots closed. And there we go. Those are the finished pants. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I will be sewing the shirt. So be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss that video. And if you missed the last episode, click here for the full playlist. That's it for now. I'll see you next time.